Karma doesn't punish people, it simply shows them what they taught you. The moment they hurt you, their lesson already began, even if they don't see it yet. Silence is the doorway where karma walks in. What they did to break you one day breaks them silently. 7 silent ways karma makes them regret hurting you. 1. Your distance becomes their mirror. Karma starts the moment you stop explaining yourself. Your distance teaches them what your presence protected them from. When you stop chasing and they start realizing nothing hits harder than losing access to a loyal heart. 2. Your silence exposes their truth. Silence triggers the guilt. Words can't. Karma uses your silence to make them hear their own conscience. You don't have to prove anything. Their actions prove everything. When you stop talking and their mind keeps replaying what they did, karma is watching them regret while you rise higher. Nothing hurts a betrayer more than your glow up without them. You heal and they finally feel what they caused. Your peace becomes their punishment. 3. Their circle shows them who they really are. Karma uses people to remind them of the pain they caused you. What they did to you, someone eventually does to them. The same disrespect they gave, you returns to them, multiplied. Life has a way of making everyone taste their own behavior. Of course, if they lose the version of you they'll never find again. Karma is losing someone who would have given you everything. They realize too late that you were rare. You walk away and their whole world loses its balance. Regret hits hardest when it's irreversible. Their peace breaks while yours returns. The one who hurt you loses sleep. The one who healed finds peace. Karma restores calm to the innocent and chaos to the guilty. You stay silent and life's be. 6. Life removes them from what they wanted most. Karma removes people from blessings they weren't grateful for. What they tried to ruin for you becomes unreachable for them. Their plans fail, your path becomes clearer. Karma doesn't forget. It just waits. Remember, when someone hurts you, life writes the reply. You don't have to seek revenge, but regret is a quieter punishment. Your silence is stronger than their ego. Heal, rise, detach. Karma handles the rest. Karma handles the rest. This is the power emotionally intelligent people understand. You don't have to seek revenge. Regret is a quieter punishment. Your silence is stronger than their ego. Choose healing over hatred. Choose peace over proving yourself. Choose growth over looking back. Because the greatest victory is waking up one day and realizing they no longer control your thoughts. Quotes Lab is a world where you learn to believe in yourself, a world where every moment helps you grow stronger, wiser, and more confident. A place where you overcome your fears, master your emotions, and become the best version of yourself. Are you ready to step into that world? Welcome to Quotes Lab.